If you're simply being bombarded with group notifications and just want to simply stop them, in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off group notifications on Facebook for push, email, or even SMS. So whichever you don't want or you simply want to stop them and just check those manually as you go along on Facebook, then I'm going to show you how to turn this off. Once you're on Facebook, click your account on the upper right hand side and click on settings and privacy. Then click on settings again. On the left hand side, scroll down and click on notifications. Then from here, you want to scroll on the list and find groups. Click that to expand it. Here you have email, SMS, right? And you can go ahead and you can turn these off if you don't want to receive them. So that's all that you have to do. Just simply turn off the email and the SMS and you will not receive these anymore. And that's pretty much it, guys. You can always go ahead and check groups and visit the group and see the notifications right here in the upper right hand side. You will find these anyways, or if you want to check the group manually yourself, you can see those updates. But you don't have to have your email being bombarded with all those updates coming in from the groups and even by SMS. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.